All right, my friends, and welcome to today's video. So on today's video, guys, we are going to be talking about Tapswap withdrawal. All right, how you can be able to withdraw your Tapswap and you see it on your wallet. It is very simple and way too easy, and this update is very new because they just announced it like 2 hours ago. But on this video, guys, I'm going to be making you the full guide that's going to be helping you withdraw your Tapswap to a centralized exchange. So looking down right here, you can see I am currently on Tapswap community on Telegram, and you can see they said right here, and I quote, you can now deposit taps to bitget exclusively with zero gas fee. This means that you can make your deposit to bitget without having to pay any gas fee for that. And also you can see you only have from today, starting from today until 11th of February 2025, because the listing of Tapswap is expected to take place on the 13th of February. So right now, guys, you can see to be able to do this, it is very simple. All you got to do right now, pay close attention. Let me show you how you got to do it. Okay, so the first thing that you need before you can be able to withdraw your Tapswap into your bitget wallet, because right here they specify bitget as the crypto exchange that you can only withdraw to currently. So what you need to do is simply go to your Play Store, make sure that you have already downloaded the bitget wallet right here. Make sure you download it. If you already have it, make sure that it is up to date. Okay, and if you don't have a bitget wallet at all, go ahead and download it, then sign up and make sure you have your own account. All right, so the next thing you need to do is simply head over right now to your Tapswap bot on your Telegram. You go ahead and of course click on it. So it is going to be taking you to your Tapswap bot. You can see over here everything is new, and all you're doing right here is totally fresh. Okay, so for you to be able to withdraw your Tapswap, you need to go ahead and of course click right here that we have this button right here. We have drop. You click on it, and over here, guys, you can see I was only allocated 260 taps, and trust me, a lot of people out there got way bigger than this. It all depends on the amount of efforts that you put in while farming the Tapswap to Tapswap point while we were farming it. Okay, so over here, guys, what I need to do from here is simply select this exchange because it is the only exchange that is currently available right now. I believe in the future they are going to introduce more exchanges. So right now, guys, you click on this bitget exchange, you click on it like this. Once you click on it, you can see they'll ask you, do you have bitget exchange account, because you are going to be needing your bitget exchange UID and of course the deposit address of your Tapswap. All right, so right now you go ahead and click yes, I have it. Okay, but if you don't have it, you click on choose another option. But we already have our bitget exchange well installed and our account already created, so I will go ahead and of course click on yes, I have it. So once you click on yes, I have it, you are going to require to input your details right here, starting from your Tapswap receiver's address from bitget and also your bitget UID. Let me show you how you get it and how you put it right here. So what you need to do is simply, once you have gotten your bitget, once you have installed and already created account on your bitget account, you go to your bitget centralized exchange right now. It will load up right now. This is going to be taking you straight into your bitget account, and the first thing that you actually need to do right here is to simply go ahead and of course click right here that we have assets. You see assets right here, you click on assets, and once you click on assets, you need to go ahead and then click on add fund. You can see add fund right here. You click on add fund, and once you click on add fund, it's going to be asking you the asset that you want to deposit. We want to deposit crypto. You select deposit crypto, and once you select deposit crypto, the next thing you need to select from here is to simply search for the crypto that you want to deposit actually. All right, so right now, guys, you need to click on it right now. Then the ticker for Tapswap is taps, and once you click on taps, you can see we have it right here, Tapswap. You select Tapswap like this, and once you select Tapswap, they are going to be giving you the receiver's address of your Tapswap. All right, so what you need to do from here is very simple. Allow it to load up. The network is a kind of slaggy right here, but we are going to be good to go right now. Okay, so over here, guys, you can see this is my Tapswap deposit address. What I need to do from here is to simply click on this button right now to copy it. I will click on it right now to copy it. Then I will head back to my Tapswap bot right here. Then I will paste it right here that it is required to be pasted. And right now I have pasted my address. The next thing is my UID. How do I get my bitget UID? To be able to get your bitget UID, you simply head to your bitget centralized exchange. Then you go back to the home page. My bad. You go back to the home page completely, and over here what you need to do from the home page right here is to simply go ahead and of course, okay, bear with me, go ahead and click right here on this admin page. You can see this page right here. Click on it. Once you click on it, it's going to be taking you to your profile. Okay, and once you are being taken to your profile, you can see this is your UID right here. So right now, how do you copy it? To be able to copy your UID, you go ahead and click on this arrow, and once you click on this arrow, then you can see this is the ID right here. Okay, this is your UID right here, and of course this is what you need to copy. Okay, you go ahead and of course click on copy, and once you click on copy, then you have to go back to the Telegram and of course paste it right here. Okay, you go ahead and paste your UID right there. Then you click on this box right now to confirm that you understand that I will lose my token if I send them to wrong address. That is, you will lose your token if your detail right here is wrong. So that's what they are actually requiring you to tick this to make sure that you acknowledge that. Okay, so from here, what you need to do is simply go ahead and click on continue. And right now, guys, they are going to be giving you the detail that you imputed and the amount of token that you want to be that you are going to be claiming. And of course, you need to review it properly. Then you click on confirm if you are sure that this is what you want to do. You click on confirm right now, and automatically this is simply what you need to do right now in order for you to stay positioned to withdraw your Tapswap to bitget exchange and sell immediately after listing. So someone might be asking, are we supposed to sell immediately after listing or not? There's something that I need you to understand. This is Airdrop and it is supposed to be a free money, you understand? But if you happen to receive your Tapswap coin on your exchange immediately after the listing, I will simply advise that you even if you don't want to sell everything, sell at least 70% and keep the rest as your moon bag, because the price might try to rank up or to increase after the listing, but in most cases, that is 90% out of 100%, the price is going to drop down drastically. So if you want to be selling everything after the listing, I totally agree with that, but it all depends on the amount of risk that you want to take. But personally, what I'm going to be doing is that I'm going to be selling maybe 80% of my total Tapswap, and of course keeping the rest in case the price tends to go up. But this is Airdrop and a lot of people are going to be selling massively, and given also the fact that Tapswap has also postponed their listing for several times, a lot of people are ready to cash out and do something that's do whatever they like with the Tapswap. All right, so this is simply what you need to do right now to position for Tapswap. Remember to join the season 2 if you still feel like, but if you're already tired, I don't blame you at all if you don't join the season 2. So this is what you need to do right now if you want to be withdrawing your Tapswap to bitget centralized exchange. Pass like this, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you guys on our next video. And always remember to join our token giveaway. The details of joining our token giveaway on this channel is going to be dropped on the video description. Also remember that you need to subscribe and like this video you just watched right now. Thank you so much, and I appreciate all your support, and I'll be making more video to give you guys the best value on this crypto space. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you guys on the next video. Peace out, and of course do have a lovely day.